Hi, families, and welcome to a Math for Adults Foundation Math Night. My name is Dr. Andrea Knapp, and I'm the Executive Director. I'm so excited that you're learning hands-on ways of doing math and boosting your students' achievement. Did you know that some of the things that you're learning, such as listening to your own students' strategies, will help them in school even when you're not there? For example, you're learning some content knowledge. Maybe you're a little rusty on those fractions, or hey, maybe you're better at math than me, but you're learning how to use manipulatives instead of just pencil and paper or dots on a page. You're learning how to assist in ways that are fun. You're learning that there's more than one way to solve a problem and how to use games and skill reinforcers. But now I'm going to take you to our website and show you some other things that will help with student achievement. And some of these things are easier than a math problem, some are harder than a math problem. So I'm going to take you here to mapsfoundation.com under Family Resources. And you can see here that student achievement is also connected to things parents can do, such as parent involvement. And that's not just at school, that is at home. It's doing the hands-on activities, bringing math into everyday life. It's nutrition, giving them breakfast, reducing sugar, having family meals together, and of course, with the phone put to the side. It's teaching them to protect themselves, to yell and tell, protect themselves from abuse, and having a strong, happy family. For example, did you know that low conflict, intact families have the following benefits: academic, intellectual performance, physical and mental health, less likely to drop out of school, less likely to live in poverty, less likely to suffer from physical or sexual abuse, drug abuse or alcohol, or get involved in criminal or violent behavior? But what if this ideal isn't possible for all of us? What if we struggle in some of these areas? Well, we do what the best we can. We do what's best for the children. We learn from other parents who have been successful, and there are other parents in this room that you can bounce ideas off of. For example, here are some resources on parenting articles that can help you. Parenting teens, I need help with that one. There's a comic book Bible for at night before bed, some financial advising, working with depression, uh, addiction resources, and just some things that found helpful along the way. Now, in addition to strengthening your family, there are math resources that are available for you. So if you click on math resources here, you'll see a link to math games. A great way to building those math facts and math skills is through online math games. So there are some games in here that they're single player, you can do dual player, you can play with grandpa in another state, and then an online graphing calculator, tutoring resources, and other lessons that can help you, even some other math videos. If you'd like to see math videos that I have made over many math topics, you can get help here by going to our YouTube channel, and you can search if you need help with geometry. Do you need help with fractions? Do you need help with statistics? Also on our Facebook page, uh, you can see what we've been doing, and there's even a Facebook group set up just for MAPS participants. MAPS stands for Math for Adults Partnering for Success. So I invite you to join our MAPS participants group, and you can get help from each other or from me on a math problem, or weighing in on how to help a child with something that they might be stuck on. Okay, next I'm going to take you in to see our blog, where there are examples of how you can bring math into your everyday life at home. So whether your family likes to do puzzles, you'd like to write problems about apple cider donuts, or the swimming pool, or Pi Day, or sports, there's many ways that you can bring math into your everyday life. Now, what I'd really like to point out is how you can bring math into stories that you're reading your children. So, for example, if you have read them The Very Hungry Caterpillar, you could ask them questions like the caterpillar ate 3 plums, then the caterpillar ate 4 apples. How many fruits did the caterpillar eat in all? Everybody solve that and tell somebody next to you how you solved it. Did you get 7? That's great. Now, did you know there's other ways you could ask that same scenario? You could say the caterpillar ate 3 plums and then ate some apples. 7 fruits were eaten total. How many apples got eaten? Or you could start with the first number unknown. The caterpillar ate some plums. Then the caterpillar ate 4 apples. Now the caterpillar has eaten 7 fruits total. How many plums were eaten? Now, you want to set up your problems that are exciting for your students. So, if your students are more interested in eating candy than they are in eating fruit, well, then make up your problem about that. If you're a basketball family, make up problems about basketball. Use your kids' names, use your names, use the principal's name, use your grandparents' names. Make up problems that are going to engage your students. Change the size of the numbers. If using numbers in the 20s is too hard, then bump it down to fives and tens. If that's too easy, go into the millions, go into the halves. So, what you'll be doing over your dinner time, working dinner, is writing problems for your family and then sharing with the group, and we'll see if we can all solve some problems together. So, at this time, I'm going to turn it over to the facilitator. Everybody work on starting to write some problems. You'll be going through the food line and get ready to share. Again, I would like to thank everyone for being here. It's exciting to see so many people working on math with their kids and making a difference in student achievement. Again, our website is www.mapsfoundationmapsfoundation.com, and we look forward to seeing you at the next math night. Bye, everybody.